Nahanap na natin yung ating Face of the Day. Mukhang nag-volunteer ito maging Face of the Day. Pero bago po yan, Friday, 1 p.m. on GMA News TV. USC taking on UPHDS. Dito po sa patuloy nating paghatid sa inyo ng Shakey's V-League Season 10. Ito na po ang ating Shakey's Face of the Day. Kilala nyo pa ba ito? Ayan po ang natanghal na Athlete of the Year ng Perpetual, si Angelique Jonella. Anong nickname niyan? Jack Jack. Yan yung dati po nilang libero, 22 years old from Las Piñas. Hoy, Jack Jack, pahingi naman ng pizza. Na libreng merienda tuloy si Jack Jack Jonella. Pero deserving naman. Face of the Day. Masasabi natin one of the prettier faces that has graced the Shakey's V-League over the years. Yan ang namimiss ng Perpetual, yung libero skills ni Jack Jack Jonella. Sip mo Athlete of the Year. Trish Crisostomo. Wow, yan na.
Galit na.
2 roses. Gusto niyang humabol because Letran was up by 4 earlier. Now they're up by only 3.
You know why? Unforced error. San Sebastian 8, Letran 1.
Yan ang magandang ginawa dito ng Letran. Minimize yung errors. Here's Espelita. And Espelita finds the line. Hindi naabutan yun ni May Crisostomo. So I guess si Espelita should be the X factor.
But you know, really, no, itong Letran, you can see the difference from their first game to now. You can see a more cohesive team.
Para bad reception there and a good serve by Ogana. 19-14. Lamang ng 5 ang Letran. Timeout San Sebastian.
Second set na naman tayo bumibigay. Ganda ng first set natin eh. Pero nawala, receive na naman eh. Pag nawawala tayo ng receive, doon tayo na nagkakaproblema eh. Tapos yun ang maigay, nakakapag-set naman tayo ng maayos eh. Paluin mo lang paluin. Humarap ka ng butas. Pag wala,
kulang na lang lumuhod si Clint Malaso. Tumigay, humingi. Mag-receive naman tayo, girls, di ba? Ayan po ang ating mga laro sa darating na linggo dito po sa arena starting 2 p.m. San Sebastian taking on Lasal, Dasmariñas. At sa ating second game naman, Perpetual against Adamson as the elimination round closes. Dito po sa Shakey's V-League, penultimate day na yan. Ng ating, or the final day na actually ng elimination round natin. And nobody home as Jamaica Villas able to put it through.
Well, again, the reception woes of San Sebastian. Hindi nila they can't find the medicine to tong onslaught of Letran right
actually,
now.
and you also have to give credit to Ogana. She's really serving well. Trish to Jolina. Espelita keeping it alive. Jamaica Villas. Nagulat, may bola sa harapan niya.
Hindi pa siya. Kailangan pa niya matuto yung soft touch.
Oh, imagine mo kung gano'ng kalaki yung mata niya. Ay, bola! 2015, however, 5 pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Letran. Nice reception that time. Jamaica Villas turned back by Sue Roses. At si Mondejar was intimidated by the presence of the great Sue Roses.
Tignan mo yung tingin ni Sue. Ano
kayo lahat ngayon, ha? Para sundalo-sundalo talaga si Sue, eh. Attention! Nice serve again by Crisostomo. Mondejar. Sangmuang off the block of Roses.
Sang Wang has also been playing very good for Letran.
21-16. 5 ang abante rito ng Lady Knights. San Sebastian groping for form here in the second set after they got a tremendous lift ng ating first set. Labiano, napalakas. Wala daw check ball. 22-16. Timeout Clint Malaso.
dapat hindi mo pabiligan doon sa gitna naman tayo. Nag-single lang kami. Huwag kang humiga. Alam mo nang malayo, nakahiga ka pa. Tapos babarubalin mo yung bola. Igawan mo ng paraan na yung may pasok lang. Eh, blocking pa naman tayo eh. Higita natin maigi ha. Lumayo na ng lumayo.
Higita natin. SSC!
Sa pagpapatuloy pa ng pag-atid namin sa inyo ng Shakey's V-League sa bagong tahanan ng Shakey's V-League sa Free TV, GMA News TV. Crisostomo, Verbano, nice take by Mondejar. Alam mo yung floor defense sa Letran, ang laki ng pinagbago dito sa second set, ha? Crisostomo, quick set, Roses, Sang Muang is there. Mondejar, back set. Espelita getting it across. Crisostomo for Boli. Mondejar, Melissa Cu, off the block. Sarina Berbano. Jolina Labiano.
Oh.
Yan na. Dinala sa power ni Jolina. Yan ang pamalit nila kay Benito.
That's true, That's true.
If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
I was actually looking for Benito Nasanay na ako.
Wala.
Wala na.
Sobrang daming playing years na nun. Melissa Cu. Nice angle. Crisostomo. Boli. Hirap na hirap si Boli. Pinapatira siya galing sa likuran. Espelita. Jolina keeping it alive. Trish to Jolina into the net.
Wow, Letran still maintaining this 5-point lead.
At ang ating unang...
6-point lead, sorry.
Right. Patricia Belleza will see her first action serve specialist to finish this for Letran. 23-17. Belleza, kaliwete. Nice serve. Sobrang nice serve, pero akala ko lalabas pa yun Melissa Cu able to score 7 set points for the Lady Knights.
We're in for a long one.
Ano naman? Belleza serving for the set. Boli, Crisostomo, Labiano, yon. At makakalipat na sa harapan si Boli. Yan. Yun lang naman hinihintay dito na San Sebastian. But boy, did Letran take advantage of Boli in the back.
That's true, but they still have a lot of set points. I'm
Right.
talking about Letran.
Melissa Cu, off the block. Roses, Crisostomo, Boli!
That's one.
O, 5 pa.
5 pa.
Labiano. Let's see if her serve is as good as her spike. Lacerna. Mondejar. Cu. Naibalik. Mondejar. Back set. Villas. Crisostomo. Berbano off the block.
Free
Belleza.
ball.
Free ball. Pagkakataon ngayon. Malyari.
Oh.
Nakialam si Mondejar. So, kukunin na sana ni Belleza yun. Good timeout now for Brian Esquivel as the girls are getting rattled to close this one out.
Binibigyan Bigyan mo, para magkaroon ng pansin, mapinti yung larong natin, tatablayan. Hindi mo siya bibigyan, at binigay mo kay Melissa kagad ang bola, 2 block agad yung makakukuha ni Melissa. Ha? Kailangan mo lang, magsalita ka, nasa tayo. Hindi mo kailangan magmadali. Ha?
Si Mondejar, Cu. Pwede nga. Can be a decoy play here for Melissa Cu. First, a good reception. Labiano, another safe serve. Kay Cu nga sila pupunta. Pero kept alive there by Berbano. Boli. Boli again!
That's another one.
Ala, 24-21. That's 4 straight points scored now by San Sebastian against set point.
Look at Sangmang. One more. We just need one
Right.
more.
Labiano, another safe serve. Mondejar, Jamaica Villas, not the first option that time. Boli, always
Again.
the first option. Yung lang sama ng timing, nalipat si Boli sa harapan at the most crucial juncture of the set. Another timeout for Letran.
Only 1 point ang gagawin natin. Huwag nating madaliin. Winnie, huwag mong madaliin. Dandaanin mo lang. Ha? Naiintindihan mo ba? Patakbuhin mo si Jam doon. Kaya naman magaling nito Ha? Pero dito ka na sa dulo. Naiintindihan mo, Winnie? Ha? Patakbuhin mo si Jam. Dito sa dulo si... What's up na lang yan?
Take a look at this last play again. When in doubt, go to the former MVP na nasa harapan ngayon. Ito si Boli. Pero yun na nga, wala silang option sa harapan. This is actually a small lineup in front.
Sangwang nasa likod pa.
Nasa likod pa rin si Sangwang. Labiano, again the safe serve. Melissa Koo, turn back. Mondihar gives it up again. Crisostomo, here comes Boli.
One more time.
Wow! 6 straight points against set point. Para sa San Sebastian, 24-23.
Oh, the front line of Letran, obviously, they're struggling right now.
Maliliit, yun nasa front
Oh.
line. Labiano has been just keeping it in. Koo again. Blocked again, and this time it goes out. And Letran escapes the rally of San Sebastian. Finally, the persistence of Melissa Koo paying off. 25-23, tied at 1 set apiece. Shaky play coming up. Kita natin dito. Tiyaga. Yan.
Finally.
Finally, out na.